I spent 30 days testing 10 different liver cleansing herbs. Some of them you have definitely heard of, and some were so unusual even I had to double-check how to prepare them. My goal was simple. Could these herbs actually improve my energy, digestion, and overall health? The results, however, honestly surprised me. And in this video, I'm breaking it all down. The herbs I tried, how I used them, and most importantly, what actually changed after 30 days. Let's start from the beginning. Before I kicked this experiment off, I reminded myself of one thing. Your liver is the unsung hero of your body. It's the filter, the processor, the workhorse. Every single day, it's removing toxins, balancing hormones, and processing the nutrients from your food. But here's the problem. Most of us overload it constantly. Processed foods, alcohol, medications, stress, all of these pile up, and your liver is left struggling to keep up. So I thought, what if I gave my liver 30 days of focused support? Could natural, time-tested herbs make a real difference? That's why I chose 10 of the most powerful liver herbs I could find. I didn't just take them randomly. I rotated and combined them, kept notes, and tracked my results. Here's exactly what happened. Number 1, milk thistle. I started with milk thistle, probably the most famous liver herb. For over 2,000 years, it's been used as a liver protector. The active compound, silymarin, acts like a shield around your liver cells, protecting them from toxins and even helping damaged cells repair themselves. I took it in capsule form, 300 milligrams standardized extract, twice a day. Now, I didn't expect fireworks in just 3 days, and honestly, I didn't get them. But here's what I did notice. After heavier meals, I didn't feel as sluggish. Digestion felt smoother, lighter. Milk thistle is subtle. It's not a quick detox trick. It's long-term protection. Number 2, dandelion root. Yes, the weed in your backyard is actually a powerful liver cleanser. Traditionally, it's been used to stimulate bile production. That means your body breaks down fats more effectively and toxins get flushed out more efficiently. I brewed it as tea. Earthy, slightly bitter, but drinkable. By day 6, digestion felt noticeably better, less bloating, and honestly, my stomach looked a bit flatter. If sluggish digestion or bloating is an issue, dandelion tea is worth a try. Number 3, turmeric. Then came turmeric, the golden spice. Its active compound, curcumin, is one of the strongest natural anti-inflammatories. Research shows it helps reduce fat buildup in the liver and even shields it from toxins. I made golden milk at night. Warm almond milk, half a teaspoon of turmeric, black pepper for absorption, and honey. By day 9, I felt less stiffness in my joints and my energy was steadier, no afternoon crashes. Turmeric isn't just for curry, it's an all-rounder that benefits your liver and your whole body. Number 4, Schisandra berry. Now this one was new to me. Schisandra berry. In Chinese medicine, it's called the 5-flavor berry and is considered an adaptogen for the liver. That means it helps your liver handle stress better. I mixed half a teaspoon of the powder into smoothies. And wow, by day 12, I felt sharper. Not jittery like caffeine, but clean focus. Less midday fatigue too. Schisandra is subtle but powerful. Think of it as a performance enhancer for both body and mind. Number 5, burdock root. Burdock root is known as a blood purifier. It helps your liver filter toxins and comes with strong antioxidants. I made it into tea, simmered dried slices for about 15 minutes. By day 15, my skin looked clearer. Small blemishes healed faster. It made me realize when your liver is detoxing well, your skin often shows it. Burdock connects inner detox to outer skin health. Number 6, Choncapiedra. This one has a dramatic nickname, Stone Breaker. It's used in South America to help break down kidney and gallstones while also protecting the liver. I took it as tea, a little bitter but not terrible. By day 18, digestion was smoother than ever. Heavy meals didn't drag me down at all. If you want to keep liver and bile pathways moving freely, this herb lives up to its name. Number 7, artichoke leaf. Now, artichoke leaf isn't just about food. The extract is a proven liver aid. It increases bile flow, lowers cholesterol, and fights oxidative stress. I took 600 milligrams in capsule form daily. By day 21, bloating after heavier meals was way down. My stomach felt consistently lighter. Great for people who struggle with fatty meals or sluggish digestion. Number 8, licorice root. Licorice root is naturally sweet and soothing. Its key compound, glycyrrhizin, has protective effects on the liver and has even been studied for hepatitis. I made tea in the evenings, and by day 24, I noticed something unexpected: calmer nights, deeper sleep. Licorice supports both the liver and stress, a double win. Now ginger, a classic, but a powerful one. It boosts digestion, reduces inflammation, and may protect against alcohol-related liver damage. I made tea with fresh ginger, lemon, and honey. By day 27, mornings felt brighter, energy was sharper, and digestion stayed smooth. Ginger proves that sometimes the simplest herbs are the most effective. Number 10, andrographis, also called the king of bitters. This herb has strong anti-inflammatory and liver protective effects, especially against toxins and infections. I took it in capsule form, 400 milligrams daily. By day 30, I felt resilient. Even on stressful days or after heavier foods, I didn't feel weighed down. Andrographis is a tough defender for a stressed liver. So, after 30 days, what really changed? My digestion was smoother, with less bloating. Energy stayed steady, no crashes. My skin looked clearer, and mentally I felt lighter, sharper, less foggy. Not every herb hit me the same way, but together they gave my liver the reset it needed. And here's the big lesson: you don't need extreme detox kits or gimmicks. Supporting your liver is about consistency, not quick fixes. So here's my challenge for you. Don't wait for 10 herbs. Pick one that stood out today. Try it daily for a week and see how your body responds. And if you want me to share my exact 30-day rotation plan and the recipes I used, let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button so more people can discover these natural remedies. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Living TV and tap the bell, because next week I'm sharing another more informative video. Remember, your liver takes care of you every single day. Maybe it's time you return the favor.